Just like in a real-world classroom, a student in a virtual classroom participates in synchronous instruction, which means that the teacher and students are logged into the virtual learning environment at the same time. Let us have a look on its features. Classroom to classroom. Live classes can be held in one classroom and can be broadcasted in an entirely different classroom. Classroom to device. Live classes can be accessed over a wide variety of devices by users such as laptops, desktops, tablets and mobile devices, giving users the comfort of accessing lectures anytime and anywhere. Easy to use. Launch virtual classes right in the browser with user-friendly interface. Reliable and scalable. A hassle-free virtual classroom platform that just works, allowing you to grow your online programs. Third-party integration. Live Class solutions are easily integrated with third-party educational tools like smart boards, virtual boards and drawing tablets to enable a smoother teaching experience. Two-way communication. It sets up two-way communication portal between students and instructors via chat mechanisms and message boards. Content sharing. Live Classes enables faculty members to share various teaching content like presentations, e-books and diagrammatical matter to help students understand better.